Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos and leaving me comments. It really means so much to me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. From what I've heard, it really helps our little channels get recognized more. And today I'm just going to do a really small video of something that I did that I think might benefit someone, so I thought I would go ahead and share it. And that is this little trimmer. This is for pretty much any little tiny job. What's it say? Micro tough. And I mean it has a little light. Look, I touched it. It does not hurt. It does not cut my skin. I tested it several times. Look, nothing. Does not even scratch my skin. Nothing. I guess that's because the skin is tougher. I mean, look, nothing. Does absolutely nothing to my skin. Well, I got the idea that I was going to use this to trim my nose hair. Yes, I said it. It's embarrassing, but I just decided I just wanted to see how it worked. And I mean, not like I have a ton of nose hair. I just wanted to do it and see how it did. And you know, oops, when you're putting makeup on and stuff, sometimes if you have any tiny little hairs here, it can get stuck to them if you've ever done it, and it gets noticeable. So I just decided I was going to go, you know, and just do really close to the skin. Don't do that. Yep, you don't want to do that. I guess because the inside right in here is super sensitive. I used it, and it literally took the skin off right on the inside, right on the, what's that called? Can't think of what it's called, but you know I'm talking about, the inside where it's really kind of tender. Well, this will take the skin right off of it. Yes, it did. It was so sore for, I'd say, 2 weeks that it was so sore right on the inside, right on the, yeah, don't do that. You don't want to do that. I have washed it really good, of course, after doing it. That was what I intentionally bought it for. These little things are like $8 or $9. I don't have hair in my ears. I don't have any of the things that, you know, guys use these things for, but I just wanted to test it out on a whim, just see if it worked. And it didn't work, and I thought I would give a review to tell you don't do that. If you just don't want to do that. It was so sore. It hurt so bad to even touch the outside of my nose here to put makeup on. It hurt so bad. And it constantly, because of the scabs and stuff, where, I mean, it literally took the skin off. It constantly had that feeling like there was something there. I mean, there was scabs, to where, I mean, it was horrible. So I wanted to tell you all, as embarrassing as it is for me to admit, that don't use this for your nose. I love you guys. Bye bye.